Hello, my name is Pat Fife, and this is my final slideshow for Calm 130. I chose this original Nike ad, and what I like about this ad is it shows that anyone can be great. It's this young boy who is overweight, jogging, and in this ad I feel like it shows that the human spirit can't be contained within the body circumstances. So let's break this down. It is promoting the idea that anyone can be great. Here's this boy jogging on his own, no one around. He's on this black pavement. It's got the iconic Nike swoosh, and it shows his determination. There's your design. The typography is big block letters in white. Find your greatness. I think that the block letters put that way lends to strength and stamina, which this boy shows. He wants to be a better version of himself. The colors are green and gray, very simple. It shows the gray of the sky, the gray of the pavement, and the green on either side of him of the grass. The way the pavement and the grass align up to him, focus your attention on him and his determination to become a better version of himself. And so let's look at the new ad that I created. This shows an elderly woman exercising with her walker, and the consistencies are, here you have the iconic Nike swoosh. I chose the caption, "You only fail when you quit," and those are in bold block letters. This shows also that the human spirit can't be contained by its physical circumstances. This old lady exercising, you can see the smile on her face. And finally, this is the idea that anyone can be great. She wants to become a better version of herself. You can see that the colors are the same. It's got the gray pavement, the gray sky up above, the alignment of the pavement, and the grass on either side of her focuses your attention on her. And that's what I came up with. I hope you enjoyed the slideshow. Thank you.